In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MACD ReLoaded strategy tracker in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. What matters is that you're on the main charting screen where we can access the indicator menu. Once you're on your chart, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the button labeled Indicators. This is the hub where all your built-in indicators, community scripts, and your own saved tools are stored. Go ahead and click on Indicators. When you do, a new window or panel will pop up over your chart. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see different categories, but to keep things simple, we're going to use the search bar. Find the search box at the top of that panel. Click inside the search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, in the search field, carefully type MACD ReLoaded strategy. Take your time to spell it correctly, because TradingView's search is very literal. As you type, TradingView will start showing matching scripts and strategies below. You may see a list that includes built-in tools, community indicators, and strategies created by other users. Look through the results for the one named MACD ReLoaded strategy. When you see it, simply click on it once. As soon as you click, TradingView will automatically add that strategy to your current chart. You'll notice some new visual elements appear, such as entry and exit markers, and possibly a performance summary in the Strategy Tester tab. If it doesn't appear right away, make sure you're still on the correct chart and that the script you clicked on is indeed a strategy and not just a standalone MACD indicator. Sometimes changing the time frame or zoom level makes it easier to see the signals clearly. From here, you can customize the settings by hovering over the strategy's name in the top left of your chart and clicking on the settings icon. This allows you to adjust things like inputs, colors, or visual style, so it better matches your trading preferences and helps you read the signals quickly. And if you don't already have TradingView Pro, remember you can use my affiliate link in the description. That gives you access to more advanced features, additional indicators on a single chart, and generally a smoother experience when running strategies like the MACD ReLoaded tracker. Follow these steps and you'll have the MACD ReLoaded strategy tracker up and running in your TradingView Pro account, ready to help you analyze the markets more efficiently.